Sup peoples, as you can see here, looks like a normal desktop. My name's Bladen. I'm going to I'm going to show you fellas how to enable some cool things if you fellas are Linux users. If you're not, because I'm using Ubuntu 10.04, I've got a latest version, but this one's long-term support. The other one's the latest version, but it's not long-term. So yeah, if you're if you want to be a Linux user, if you've got unlimited bandwidth on your internet connection, you can download this operating system here for free. www.ubuntu.com, ubuntu.com or Ubuntu. Choose whichever ones that you want. I've got all three of them. I got actually got 5 of them. I got the desktop, the notebook, and the server version. This is the desktop version. There's a notebook and a server version, but anyway, I'll get into that later. I'm going to display and show you how to do things like, like this. Thing like this. Watch. So you got desktops there. Sorry, that's a bit blurry. And then you can flip it. It's like a desktop cube. You can do other things, but I'm still learning here, so I thought I'd chuck this video together. Yeah. And see, on this desktop I've got my media player stuff, because I was just listening to music before. On this one I was just on the internet, on Facebook. And this one was, I was talking on Skype at the same time. So, yeah. And this one is blank, so we'll use this one. To do this, if you're on Linux user, you go to System, then you go to Administration or whatever. I can't understand. And there should be a thing down here called Synaptics Package Manager. And then after that, I won't go into it, but I'll explain. I'll tell you how to do. You would have to enter your password if this is the first time you've done it. If this is the first time you're going into this program, you got to enter your password. Or if you got no password, you'll be sweet. But anyway, yeah. And then you'll see a lot of packages, and you need to scroll down to, you see one called Compass Config Settings Manager, which is what it stands for. And then you mark it, and then you go to apply, and then it'll ask you to it'll bring up another dialog, and then at the bottom right you go to apply again, and then it'll install it. Note, you got to have the internet connection. I've got the internet connection there. It's my little wireless stick up on the wall that's hooked up to a modem, wirelessly to a modem, because it needs to download all the packages from the internet. You don't get them pre-installed, unfortunately, like on the other Linuxes. But anyway, and then the next step, you go to, when you installed it, you go to System again, and you go to Preferences. And under Preferences, we've got a program called Compass Config Manager, which, hang on, where is it? Hey, there it is, System. Go under Preferences. Hang on, my mouse is playing up. It's giving me a bit of a grief this morning. Go to System, Preferences, and right there is Compass Config Settings Manager. So we'll go to that. We'll click, oops, my mouse is giving me grief. So Compass Config Manager, we'll click that. Oops, I think I clicked the wrong one by accident because my mouse went up. We'll soon find out. No, my system's going a bit slow today. Yeah, I did. Hang on, I did click the wrong one. And then I'll do this manual. Yeah, here we go. Now you got heaps of stuff here. You got under general, you got lots of stuff. One thing, hang on, what's it under? I think it's under, yeah, accessibility, I think. Yeah. Do not enable desktops or Zoom desktop, because the reason why I say do not enable desktop or Zoom desktop is because when you start up the system, it disables your start menu or your menus up the top here, which is your main features, and it's a bit of a pain. I haven't learned how to solve that properly yet. I just uninstall and reinstall it because I installed this inside Windows, so this is a sort of a multi-operating system computer. And we'll go to desktops, and these two things here, desktop cube, I've enabled it. You can see how the checkbox is checked, and I've got rotate desktop, which I was doing before. Right, when you go in the rotate desktop, we'll click that. Now, on the rotate desktop, you've got all the settings, what you want it to do, the speed of the thing, the speed of the spinning. You can have the speed of like how it readjusts itself if you let it go in the middle of two desktops, and how it readjusts itself. Get rid of that. And you've got a thing called these two things here called where is it? It's yeah, that thing called there. So to top face, it's at the bottom face, which is basically right there. I've actually got to hold my camera at the same time, so this is a bit of a thing because you've got to use two hands for this. But I'm managing. Hang on. Boom. That's the top face. So you got, hang on, I'll show you. So you got the actual cube. Then you've got the top face, which if you let it go now and then it'll enlarge just to make it big. And the good thing about this, if other people are not Linux users, and if you don't know how to use Linux properly, well then this thing, see how it's all white, and you can't turn it off. You can't if you push the power off button, it does nothing. Or standby keys or whatever keys. See, can't do nothing. See, I'll push the off button. Usually it'll bring up a menu saying what do you want to do, but not today. But anyway, wait just a minute. And the controls for this is you hold Control and Alt, then you hold the left click key on the mouse, and then you use your mouse to drag it around like this. If you put your, or you can set it to how you want. I've set it to opposites. If you then your mouse to the left, the cube goes right, and if you swerve it, if you drag your mouse to the left, if you swing your mouse to the right, the thing goes left. But anyway, that's just a little tutorial I'll show you. If I had a better way to do it, I probably would do it. But anyway, I've got to manage for what I got. But sweet. Hope this is fun to watch and sweet as, and I'll probably make some more whenever. Cheers. Ladies, man.